and strong faith. But let's be real. There are also behaviors we inherited na maybe we need to unlearn. Some things we call normal or actually harmful. And it's affecting our generation, our mental health, our confidence, our freedom to choose. So today, it's all real talk. Here are 5 Filipino traits we need to outgrow. And I'm not blaming, I'm just here to break the cycle. Trait number 1 is utang na loob as manipulation.
Let's be clear. Utang na loob is beautiful. It's a sign of gratitude, humility, and respect na ang ibig sabihin ay may tumulong sa'yo nung wala ka pa. May naniwala sa'yo kahit walang kasiguruhan. May nagbigay para makapagsimula ka. Pero kailan nga ba nagiging problema ang utang na loob? Kapag nagiging tanik